Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all, I'm still doing the Krusteaz. You know, they got about 40 of these things. See this? Today we're going to do the Krusteaz banana nut. It says it got real bananas and walnuts. I never had banana nut bread with walnuts. Usually it's pecans. And I'm going to put a little cinnamon in it because it says on the directions, it say stir in a little cinnamon. So like I say, y'all, this is Krusteaz awesome mix, and I'm gonna be doing this all summer. I think next week I'm gonna do them world famous lemon bars that y'all say use, and I heard they got awesome lemon bars. So I'm gonna do it just like the directions on the box. I'm not gonna alter nothing or change nothing. I'm gonna do it just like it say in the directions in the box. It say to put the mix in here. Hold on, let me read the directions, y'all. Let me make sure I do this right. Okay, hold on. I already messed it up, y'all. It say stir together the water, eggs. I guess you put it all in there the same. Okay, hold on. Put the eggs in here. Now I got the water and the oil already mixed together there. Y'all know me, I like to mix this eggs and water up together, the liquid already up together, before I add the dry. A little something I do. Now I'm gonna add the dry to this. Y'all know this is one of my favorite muffins. Let me add the cinnamon to this. I love banana nut muffins, y'all. This one, as I was telling y'all when I was working at my job I just retired from, this is one of the two muffins that I ate every morning. Blueberry muffin and banana nut muffins. He already had these two ready. And I already know I used to go with a little Hispanic guy. He's from El Salvador. I walk in the kitchen every morning, only blueberry, only banana, every morning, y'all. If I didn't go in there, he would find me and bring to my office. He'd bring them on a paper towel. He'd bring me a blueberry, and he'd bring me a banana nut muffin if I didn't go get it in time, because I wanted it hot with some butter on it. But yeah. Okay, y'all. Move this out the way. I got my little, supposed to make 12 of these. See if I can get 12 in here evenly, y'all. Just kind of scoop them in there, y'all. Okay. Get them all in there, not folding them. I don't think I'm gonna get 12, y'all. I don't put too much in one. If I get one more out of this one, y'all. What y'all think? We're gonna get it out of here. Let's see here. There we go. That's gonna be a little one. That's gonna be a little one. All right, y'all. It say, let's see what it say on the box here. It say 400 degrees. For 16 to 18 minutes. Y'all know I do not cook nothing on 400 degrees. I got it like 375, and I'm gonna do it for like 15 minutes. I do not cook on 400 degrees. I don't trust 400 degrees for anything. So I'm gonna do 350, 380, matter of fact 375 about 15 minutes. We'll see how it is. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Look at this, y'all. Y'all see I did not measure these right. I got a big one here, a small one here. It don't matter, y'all. I just took them out the oven. Like I say, it took about 15 minutes. I did 375 degrees. I do not like cooking on 400 degrees because you will forget stuff. If you get stuff at 400, you're going to burn it up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let this sit here for about a couple of minutes. I'm going to take them out, put them on a platter. I don't know if I'm going to put butter. Y'all say I seem to put butter on my muffins. And I really do. I'm just trying to eat them like they're supposed to be eating right out of the thing. So I can get my real full opinion on them. But anyway, y'all, we'll be back here. Take them out of the pan here, and I'm going to put them on the platter. We're going to see how they is. Be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Look at this here, y'all. They still warm, too. Look at that. Banana nut, walnut muffins, y'all. Okay, I'm going to try one size here. Get a medium size. Hope the paper don't stick. Oh yeah, there we go. Sometimes the paper sticks if I try to do it too soon. Move this out the way. Give me a little butter here, y'all. Y'all be saying I need to put some butter on it, so I'm gonna put some butter. Let me open and see if it's hot. Let's see here, y'all. Look at this. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put some butter on this. I see a lot of nuts in this one. I guess I didn't mix the nuts up in there. Let's try that. Only thing is good. Only thing, y'all, when I bite into it, it don't have that real. I know I'm spoiled by the job I had before when he used to make them homemade. I used to bite in the heel. It's just so fluffy. Like, don't get me wrong, these are good, real flavorful. Doesn't have that fluffiness that he had in here, a real homemade muffin. But let me tell you, they good. Never had them with walnuts. Usually just pecans, but they're good. Not bad, not bad at all. Anyway, y'all, another Krusteaz review. Next week I'll have another one. I might do lemon balls next week. I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, let me close the video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfoods.com. Remember hashtag 2022, helping others with a purpose. Old School Soul Foods. And next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.